Rise.
Regarding 267.
I am.
एक मिनट, yes.
खाड़ी देशों
Regarding
से
your 167,
भारत
I will
को
come
हर
back.
साल
I am coming back to you after this.
चर्चा करो।
267, we have already, regarding 267, the ruling has been already given too many times. So, under 2, then you all go back to your seat. If you want me to listen to LOP, then you should take your seats. एक minute, let them go back to their seats. Yes. No. To run the house, everybody has to cooperate.
Sir, I am thankful to you. You have given me an opportunity to raise this issue. Sir, I want
You be specific about your request, sir. Please don't give it quickly.
3 minutes में खत्म करूंगा. Sir, Rule 176 के तहत Emerging Challenges for India's Energy Security के विषय पर मैं शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन डिस्कशन की अनुमति के लिए अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं. पश्चिमी एशिया में तेजी से बदल रही जियोपॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन अब वही तक सीमित नहीं है. इसका असर भारत की एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी पर पड़ रहा है. भारत की छवि और साख पर भी इसका असर पड़ रहा है. भारत अपनी क्रूड ऑयल की लगभग 55% जरूरतें पश्चिमी एशिया से होने वाले इंपोर्ट से पूरी करता है. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बढ़ने का सीधा असर हमारे देश में इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी पर भी पड़ेगा. उस क्षेत्र में करीब 1 करोड़ भारतीय काम करते हैं जिनकी सुरक्षा और लाइवलीहुड वहां की स्थिरता पर निर्भर करता है. हाल ही की घटना में कुछ भारतीय नागरिक मारे गए हैं या लापता है. अरे आयम
एक मिनट, yes.
खाड़ी देशों से भारत को हर साल लगभग 51 बिलियन US डॉलर्स की रेमिटेंस होती है जो लाखों भारतीय परिवार के जीवन का आधार है. वहाँ की घटनाओं का असर भारत पर भी दिखाई देने लगा है. सर, कुकिंग गैस सिलेंडर के दाम में लगभग 60 रुपए की वृद्धि हुई है. कमर्शियल गैस सिलेंडर 115 की वृद्धि हुई है. इसका परिवारों से खड़ा है. इसीलिए मैं आपसे निवेदन करता हूँ.
I am telling I am coming back to you. Sir, definitely I am coming back to you. Please take your seat.
Honorable Chairman, sir.
Honorable. I understand. I only give him time. I understand his subject. Please. No, 1 minute, sir. Now, honorable leader of the house want to respond to this. No, you wait. Honorable leader want to respond. Honorable leader of the house want to respond to this.
Sir,
1 minute.
sir,
जी,
Sir,
1 minute.
ये बार
Only 1 minute.
आदरणीय
Only 1 minute, please. All others, please take your seat. All others, you please take your seat. Except Garge, all of you, please take your seat. Jay, you please complete so quick.
सर, मैं मेरे पूछ रहे थे, ताजुब लगा. मैं जस्टिफाई कर रहा हूँ 176 की क्या जरूरत है और ये जरूरत इसलिए है. वो पॉइंट्स मैं आपके सामने रख रहा हूँ.
I already told you. I am coming back to you after due consultation on 176. Please take your seat. Now let
this is not necessary. Sir, this is not necessary.
No.
When 176 we discuss,
I am asking you.
everything will come. So
No, I am coming now to you on this.
now the statement by the minister.
Yes,
चर्चा करो.
Chairman Sahab, I rise to apprise this August House, of recent developments in West Asia that are cause of deep concern to all of us. As
Nothing will go on record except the minister's statement.
As honorable members are aware, this round of conflict started on 28th February 2026. It has witnessed not only fighting between Israel and the United States on one side and Iran on the other, but also attacks on a number of Gulf states. There have been numerous casualties, including at the leadership level in Iran, as well
Nothing will go on record except the minister's statement.
as well as destruction of infrastructure in the region. At the very outset, government had issued a statement on 28th February expressing its deep concern and urging all sides to exercise restraint, avoid escalation, and prioritize the safety of civilians. We believe, and we continue to believe, that dialogue and diplomacy should be pursued to de-escalate tensions and address underlying issues. Sir, it is also imperative that the sovereignty and territorial integrity of all states in the region be respected. Given the gravity of the situation, the Cabinet Committee of Security, CCS, met on 1 March under the chairmanship of the Honorable Prime Minister. It was briefed on the airstrikes in Iran and the subsequent attacks in several Gulf countries. The CCS was concerned over the safety and security of the Indian community in the region. It also focused on the implications for regional security and for economic and commercial activities. The committee was apprised of difficulties faced by Indian travelers transiting the region and by students appearing for scheduled examinations in these countries. It directed all concerned ministries and departments to take appropriate measures to respond to these problems. Honorable Prime Minister continues to closely monitor emerging developments and relevant ministries are coordinating to ensure I rise
Regarding 267.
I am
एक मिनट, yes.
खाड़ी देशों
Regarding
से
your 167, I will
भारत को हर
contact
साल
you. I am coming now to you on this.
now the statement by the minister. चर्चा करो.